quick unboxing of the Instant Pot 3-quart. I realize that there are probably
a gazillion
unboxing videos of Instant Pots. So I want to unbox this one and give you the measurements so you can get a better idea of how big this 3-quart is. And for fun, so enjoy. I'll link to this Instant Pot down below. If you like my knife, I will also link that. They still sell these as a Remington, and I've had this 14 years. All right, here you go. Duo 7-in-1 3-quart. Serves up to 3. User manual. Power supply. And there it is, little tiny guy. Test run with just water to check that everything seals properly. Your sealing ring, your seal vent switch is sealing, and your little plunger here, and check that this is sealing too. Just check first boiling water to make sure that everything is sealing. Get your little trivet. Another warning. And here's your pot. Nice and fresh. There's the part number, I'm guessing. Here's the element. And then taped on the side, they have the little, like, juice overflow catch container. So this just pulls off, and you take this tag off. Just pop that back. Seal, vent, tag. Here's a shot of the catch cup and the back plate. Here's the plug, and here's the bottom. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 little rubbery feet. Let me get you a measurement on the cord. And these are standard fitting. A lot of TVs have these, so you can always get a longer cord. It is 3 feet. All right, let's get you measurements on the pot. First, I'm gonna go handle to handle, and that's about almost exactly 12 inches. Say 12 and a quarter. The handle is 6.5 inches. Okay, the diameter of the lid is about 9 inches. Okay, the diameter of the pot is a little under 8 inches on the lip. The inner diameter of the pot is 7 inches, and the pot height is 5 inches. All right, the footprint of this thing. The diameter is 9.5 inches. Another weird dimension would be like the faceplate controls to the sort of this like shelf where the catch cup sits, because this sticks out past the body of the Instant Pot and this sticks out past the body. I mean, it's pretty unnecessary, but who knows, maybe it helps somebody. That's about 10.5 inches. All right, let me close this up, and so like here's my hand on top. Here's me picking it up. Here's a shot, just tilting it, grabbing the handle. So one thing about this new top design, the switch, is say you've cooked your meal and then you want to vent it. You go to vent and it lifts the vent up. So now you're venting. And so when you're finished venting, you go to open the lid. So you turn it, and as I do that, you watch the switch. It automatically goes back to seal. Whereas the previous design did not do that. And when I put it on, and if I put it on vent, and I go to tighten it, it automatically goes back to seal as well. So there's that. You know, here's my My standard Stanley tape measure. Here's a power strip. And I can pick it up with one hand. Here you can kind of see how big it is. It's nice and small. Hope that helps with the measurements. Happy cooking. See ya.